Imagine driving into a Tesla charging station in Los Angeles. While your car powers up, you step into a retro-style diner where AI knows your favorite meal, robots cook with precision, and the whole place runs on clean energy. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie. It's Tesla's plan for an AI-powered diner. But is this the future of restaurants, or just another flashy Elon Musk project? Let's explore the details. The concept of Tesla's AI diner. Tesla's diner is not your average roadside eatery. Elon Musk announced plans to build a retro-style 1950s diner in Hollywood, paired with a Tesla supercharger station. The vision is to create more than a place to grab food, it's a destination. The diner combines nostalgia with innovation. Imagine checkered floors, neon signs, and classic American diner vibes. But instead of waiters with notepads, you're greeted by sleek AI-powered systems. It's the past and future colliding in one unique space. The diner isn't just about food, it's about making Tesla ownership a lifestyle. Just like Apple built stores that doubled as brand showcases, Tesla's diner could act as a live demonstration of how Tesla's technology fits into daily life. AI ordering systems. Ordering food has always been a slow, human-driven process. A server takes your order, writes it down, and enters it into a system. Tesla wants to change that. Instead, the diner will rely heavily on AI-driven kiosks. These won't just be touchscreens with digital menus. They'll use machine learning to adapt to each customer. If you visit often, the system might suggest your favorite burger, or even a custom drink order you built last time. Now imagine this. You walk in and the kiosk says, "Welcome back. Would you like to order your usual vegan burger with sweet potato fries?" You confirm with one tap, and the order is already being prepared. Tesla could also integrate ordering with the Tesla mobile app. Your car knows when you've arrived, and by the time you step inside, your order is already waiting for you. This level of personalization isn't common in restaurants today. And if Tesla pulls it off, it could set a new standard for AI-driven customer service. Personalized dining experience. Personalization is where Tesla might shine the most. Restaurants today often struggle with mistakes in orders, long wait times, and lack of customization. Tesla's AI-powered diner aims to eliminate these issues by learning your preferences over time. For example, if you're lactose intolerant, the system will automatically filter out meals containing dairy. If you're on a keto or vegan diet, the AI can customize menus to show only those options. If you're short on time, the diner could suggest meals that can be prepared fastest. This creates an environment where every customer feels like the system was designed for them. Dining becomes less about browsing menus and more about having your preferences instantly recognized. It's the same idea behind Tesla cars that adapt to your driving habits. Now, Tesla wants to do the same with food, smart energy, and sustainability. Of course, no Tesla project is complete without sustainability. The diner is expected to be powered by solar panels and Tesla Powerwall batteries, meaning it could run largely independent of the traditional power grid. This approach reduces the environmental footprint and aligns perfectly with Tesla's mission of transitioning the world to renewable energy. Imagine sitting in the diner eating a meal that was cooked on energy collected from the sun earlier that day, while your car outside is charging with the same clean power. Tesla could also use energy-efficient cooking systems, recycling heat and minimizing waste. This means the diner would not only look futuristic, but also serve as a working model of sustainable food service. Other restaurants may talk about being green, but Tesla's diner could actually show it in action, something customers will likely notice and appreciate. Entertainment beyond food. Tesla's diner isn't designed to be just a restaurant. It's designed to be an experience. Elon Musk has hinted at including a drive-in theater-style setup, where customers can watch movies while they eat or while their car charges. Picture rooftop seating with a view of Hollywood, huge screens playing classic films, and maybe even Tesla-exclusive content. This makes the diner not just a place to eat, but a place to hang out and enjoy yourself. In an age where dining is becoming more about the experience than the food itself, Tesla's diner could stand out as a unique blend of entertainment and lifestyle branding. Comparison to Amazon Go. Tesla's diner concept draws some comparisons to Amazon Go stores, where customers walk in, grab groceries, and leave without checking out. Cameras and sensors track purchases and billing happens automatically. Amazon's attempt showed how far AI could push retail, but it also revealed the challenges. Costs were high, scaling was difficult, and not all customers loved the fully automated feel. Tesla might face similar problems with its diner. Running advanced AI systems, maintaining robots, and ensuring everything works seamlessly will be expensive. But unlike Amazon Go, Tesla has one huge advantage: its brand loyalty. Tesla owners don't just buy cars, they buy into a vision. A Tesla diner becomes more than just a meal. It's a chance to be part of the Tesla lifestyle. That emotional connection could be the diner's greatest strength. Integration with Tesla's larger ecosystem. The diner may seem like a small project, but it fits into Tesla's bigger ecosystem. Think about it. Tesla cars drive you there. Tesla solar panels power the building. Tesla Powerwalls store the energy. Tesla AI systems take your order. Tesla robots might prepare or deliver your food. It's not hard to see the diner as another piece in Tesla's lifestyle puzzle. Just like Apple created an ecosystem of devices that work seamlessly together, Tesla could be doing the same for life's essentials: transportation, energy, and now dining. The role of robots in Tesla's diner. Tesla is actively developing Optimus, a humanoid robot. While it's still in the early stages, Elon Musk has said that robots could one day handle repetitive jobs. The diner could be the perfect testing ground. Imagine robots flipping burgers, delivering meals to tables, or cleaning up after customers. This would showcase not only Tesla's AI, but also its robotics technology in a real-world setting. If successful, Tesla's diner might become the first restaurant where robots are a normal part of the staff, something that would attract attention worldwide. Challenges. Tesla faces. As exciting as all this sounds, the diner won't be without challenges. Cost. Building and maintaining such a high-tech restaurant will be expensive. Can it make enough money to be sustainable? Customer acceptance. Some people love human interaction when dining out. Will they embrace robots and AI or find it too cold and impersonal? Tech reliability. AI systems and robots are impressive, but they can also fail. What happens if the ordering system crashes during peak hours? Competition. Big brands like McDonald's and Wendy's are already experimenting with AI-driven ordering. Tesla will need to stand out in more ways than just novelty. These hurdles mean that while the diner is exciting, it's far from guaranteed to succeed. Could this be the future of dining? Finally, the big question: is Tesla's diner just a one-off idea, or is it the beginning of a trend? 10 years ago, the idea of self-driving cars, drone deliveries, or AI cashiers sounded like science fiction. Today, all of them exist in some form. It's not hard to imagine a world where AI-powered restaurants become common, where personalization, efficiency, and sustainability outweigh the traditional dining model. If Tesla's diner succeeds, it could spark a wave of similar projects in restaurants, shopping malls, and even airports. But if it fails, it may go down as just another quirky Elon Musk experiment. Either way, it gives us a glimpse into what dining could look like in a world shaped by automation. Tesla's AI-powered diner is more than just a place to grab burgers and fries. It's a bold experiment in automation, sustainability, and lifestyle branding. From AI-driven ordering and personalized menus to clean energy systems and potential robot staff, this diner could redefine what it means to go out to eat. But it also raises big questions. Will people embrace AI dining or reject it in favor of human service? Is Tesla building a car company or an entire automated lifestyle? And could this be the start of a new normal where AI runs not just our cars, but our restaurants, shops, and even our travel? The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear. Tesla's diner shows us that the way we eat may change forever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of Tesla's AI-powered diner, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology.